In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted transaction in QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top right and click on Settings. And in here under Tools, you can find Audit Log. So just click on that. And then from here, this is going to be your log basically of all the actions inside your account. So as you can see here, there's a bunch of different ones. And if I go to the events up here, it's the easiest to just filter this out. So go to all events and you want to scroll down and you want to look for deleted/voided transactions. Okay. So this will show you whenever you click on it, it's going to show you of course, all voided and deleted transactions you can then recover very easily. So here, for example, you can see I've deleted this one over here. This was a transaction. I can simply click on the view button. And of course, I can double check this was actually the transaction I want to recover. So it's going to open it up. You can scroll down and you can see what it actually is. So in my case, this is actually the one that I want to recover. So what you have to do is simply click on copy to new invoice and then click on confirm. Now this is going to create a new invoice for you, which is going to be pretty much the same. So here you'll be able to see it's pretty much the same. Everything is the same. You can then just click on the save button here at the bottom and you're good to go. That's all you have to do. Your invoice is going to be saved and you have your transaction recovered. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.